Hello everyone, my name is Karla. I'm a clinical dietitian for MSK Ralph Lauren Center, and welcome back to Cooking with Karla. Memorial Sloan Kettering has been providing high quality care for over 100 years, including 20 years in Harlem at the Ralph Lauren Center. There we provide cancer screening and cancer prevention services for the community. As a clinical dietitian, I teach people how nutrition is a huge part in cancer prevention, care, and recovery. Today we're here with Urban Health Plan. Urban Health Plan is a network of community health centers in the Bronx, Harlem, and Queens. And we're bringing you this amazing recipe, colorful rice salad. So come join me and let's get cooking. One of the main ingredients for this recipe is brown rice. And brown rice is known to be a low glycemic food. This means that when you eat it, it won't spike your blood sugar. This is important to know for people who have diabetes and prediabetes. The way that we cook brown rice, we are going to take 1 cup of rice. We're going to rinse it well and drain it well. It's important. Once we drain it, we're going to put it in our pot and we're going to toast it a little bit for a couple of minutes until you have an aroma of sort of toasted rice. You're not going to let it burn, of course, but you're going to make sure that you dry out the leftover moisture from the rinsing. Once it's toasted for a couple of minutes, then we add the liquid. Here I use vegetable stock. So I use 2 cups of vegetable stock. I add it, bring it to a boil, and then once it's boiling, you're gonna lower the heat and let it simmer covered for 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes have passed, then you check and make sure that all the liquid is absorbed. You can keep it closed, prepare the rest of the ingredients, or do something else, because keeping it closed for another 5 to 10 minutes is helpful to make sure the grains open and is nice and grainy. And you should have something like this. I made double the recipe today because we are doing this video in Spanish. So I have a little extra. The yield for 1 cup of brown rice is 3 cups. So we're gonna use 3 cups of this cooked brown rice right here. Then for our veggies, vegetables in general, right? This is a high fiber recipe, and foods that are high fiber are really beneficial because high fiber foods help you lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, and support your gut bacteria. And also they help lower your risk for certain types of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Also, look at all these colors. It has a variety of colors. All these colors are packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, including phytochemicals and antioxidants. They are very helpful in keeping our immune system strong and reducing risk, again, for chronic diseases and cancer, particularly red cabbage is really high in vitamin K, and vitamin K is really helpful to keeping your bones strong, and it also supports your health overall. All right, so here we have 1/4 cup of chopped peppers, 1 cup of grated carrots, 1 cup of chopped spinach, and then we have about 1/2 cup of chopped cabbage. We also have around 1/4 cup of cilantro. This, you can make this recipe your own. The main key here is to make sure that you cut up all the vegetables, that they're sort of in small so that you can get a little bit on each bite, okay? You can add other vegetables if you want. You can add chopped broccoli, other colors of cabbage, other colors of pepper, or different types of onion you can add as well, so making your own. So we're gonna add the rice. Again, around 3 cups of rice. So I'm gonna add half of this. Oh, there's rice all over. Perfect. I have some rice here. This is for my dressing. Then I'm gonna add a cup. This is frozen peas. I'm gonna add it. I also am gonna add chopped olives. I love olives, my favorite. So I'm just gonna add 1/4 of a cup. If you don't like olives or if you don't like anything in this recipe, you can just skip it. Okay? So I'm gonna add half of this. Now for the dressing. We're gonna add the juice of 1 whole lemon. If you don't have lemons, you can just add 2 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon juice also. You can also use apple cider vinegar here. So we're gonna add the whole lemon. And you know, I'm kind of lazy. It's not my favorite to clean the dishes. So what I do is, because I chopped all the vegetables first. And because I wanted to show the different vegetables in the bowl, I added the vegetables first. But typically what I will do is I will start my dressing in the bowl, mix it, have it ready, and as I'm chopping the vegetables, I'll add it to the dressing so that you only have one bowl and one only thing to clean, maybe 2, right? With the pot and the bowl. And so that's a more effective way of preparing your salad. Then we're gonna add, you can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And then I'm gonna add, this is 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey. You can also use brown sugar here. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. Pepper. And also here you can add, if you want to add garlic powder, onion powder, any other dry herbs, you can go for it. I'm gonna make sure I'm mixing this very well. And I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil and you want to use avocado oil or any other oil, you can go for it. You can do 3 tablespoons as well. Make sure you mix it very well. And we're gonna add this to our salad. Make sure I scrape all of it, all this good stuff. And now we make sure we mix everything well, and we have a very colorful and yummy rice salad, which is great for the summer. Is great to make ahead of time. It's great for bringing to lunch for work, and it's really delicious. And this is a great recipe that uses fresh and frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables have the same nutrition as fresh. And we have our colorful salad. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this recipe and you make it your own. And thank you to Urban Health Plan for allowing us to use this beautiful teaching kitchen. And if you, your loved ones, friends, or family have any concerns related to cancer or cancer screening, you can visit the Ralph Lauren Center. We are located at 1919 Madison Avenue and 124th Street in front of Marcus Garvey Park. You can also visit us at mskcc.org. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!